Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to do a review and ang i-review natin today is itong Iconsign Lash Lift. I'm really excited. I've been very skeptical about lash extension and lash lift, yung mga keratin lift kung tawagin nila, because I love my lashes so much. It's not as long as some others, but I love them. It's not too short. Definitely straight siya, but I can work with them. I can just use a regular curler. But since wala tayong magawa, and I want to review something, and I've watched several videos. I've seen a lot of positive reviews about this. So I just can't wait to try them. Nabili ko to sa Lazada for 319 pesos. I'm gonna link the information down below. Ipopost ko rin yung instructions. Ayan, yung instructions and the ingredients. And this is how it looks like. This is my first time using this. Ayan. So we have the false lashes, the perm, fixation, nutrition, and the cleanser. And then we have the clean tool, which I guess you use to help your lashes stick to the pads. So meron siyang ano dito, wait lang, ayan o, meron siyang parang suklay. I don't know if you can see that, but this is how it looks like. And ito namang lift pads. Ito yung ididikit mo dito para mag-stick yung lashes mo. And ito siya. And based on the reviews and tutorials that I saw sa YouTube, I would definitely go for the small size simply because mas maliit yung bump niya. So, ibig sabihin mas mataas yung curl. Like, I don't mind the check, yung pag ganon. So, hanapin natin yung small. Ayan. So, before I use this, actually, sanitize natin siya. And I'm gonna do one eye at a time. And based on the reviews that I've seen, and even dun sa reviews mismong shop, this one, the false lashes that it came with the pack, hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. And talagang nag-struggle yung iba to use this. So, I think I'm gonna use my own. This is the dual eyelash glue. I got this for 300 plus. Yun din yung, I think yun na din yung same eyelashes na gagamitin ko para idikit yung sarili kong lashes dito. I think it would help me a lot if I would curl my eyelashes, but not too much to a point na didikit din yung lashes ko along with the pad sa lids ko, if that makes sense. So, slightly curl lang. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna use my own eyelash glue. And hintayin natin medyo mag-tacky yung eyelash glue para hindi tayo mahirapan. As close as possible sa tight line. Okay, I think it has been several minutes, and thank God, hindi naman ako masyadong nahirapan. So, I decided na paghaluin na lang to and yung glue ko. I-apply na natin sa pads. And then, we're gonna use this. Okay, so apply the glue on the lashes to keep it stuck to the lift pads for a minute, and then use the perm lotion, which is this one, on the lashes and cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. Perming time is 10 to 12 minutes. I don't have any plastic wrap, so I'm gonna use a regular cellophane. I think that's fine. It's been a minute now, so we're gonna use this. This is the first. Okay, amoy pangkulat siya. So, before we remove this, sabi dito, remove the perm lotion with Y brush, then apply fixing agent number 2 on the eyelashes and cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. So, ito yung ilalagay natin next. Pero tatanggalin natin yung debris or yung mga titirang-tirang lotion. We'll remove it carefully. Okay, pang support, hawakan natin ng ito, pang support. Ayan, ito, ano to? Clean cotton buds. Tanggalin natin yung mga tira. And then, we're gonna use this blue one. Medyo odorless to. And then, i-wrap natin ulit sa plastic and then I'll be back after 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I think okay na to. Next step daw dito is use the cleanser number 4. Ito siya. To clean off all residue with the Y brush, wiping the comb side. Right, but I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna use a Q-tip. Lastly, we're gonna use the number 3 nutrition. I think this is to prevent further damage since technically damaging and you perm your eyelashes, right? So, amoy oil siya. I mean, amoy flower. So, medyo floral yung texture niya. And why not? I'm gonna put it sa lower lashes ko din. And that's one eye down. Babalikan ko kayo once this is done. Hi! So this is how my lashes looks like after the procedure. Let me just give you a quick close-up. Ayan siya. Okay, so this is the first one that I did and this one the second one. And I think this is definitely way better. And I think that's very logical naman. Second time is definitely going to be way better kasi this is something that you have to get used to kasi syempre na-experience mo na dito. So, yun. Well, if you would get your eyelashes done sa normal salon, they would advise you, well, based on my research, that not to wash your lashes for 24 hours because yung solution, I think, nag-work pa yan. So, yun. So, I'm not gonna wash my eyelashes for the next 24 hours. Now, our final verdict, pros and cons tayo. Pros, definitely very cheap. For 319 pesos, you get this kit. And not only you can use this once, but you can use this several times. I think you can get out of 5 use. And I'm also going to use this eyebrow ko, which I'm going to film after this video. I'm really excited. And I like the packaging because apaka-neat looking. And I like how they have the shelf life, the manufacturer directions, the ingredients, and the precautions here. yun, I really like it. Cons, you have to get used to the product, and I don't suggest this if you have shorter lashes and straight ones, kasi I think it's gonna work, but it would be very difficult. Now, the lash glue, I highly suggest that you use your own, because I think that made my process way easier because I used my own eyelash glue instead of using this. Kasi based dun sa mga napanood ko, they really struggled like sticking the pads onto their lids and then sticking their lashes sa pads because they use this and this is not strong enough. So what I use is the duo one. So far okay naman siya, wala namang reaction na masama. So I highly suggest you have to have your own eyelash adhesive. Another cons is super tagal ng process. I think it took me almost, or if not more than an hour to complete everything, kasi there's the sticking and it's not something na talagang mabilis. You have to susukatin mo pa, yun. And then waiting time na maximum 12 minutes for the two solutions, the firm and the fixation. But other than that, I guess that's it. I highly recommend this, again, for 319 pesos. Like, compared to getting your lashes done sa salon, ranging from 300 or 400 to 2,000 pesos. So, and you can get how many use? Like 5, diba? For 319 pesos, that's not bad. I'm gonna link where I got this sa description box. I got this sa isa sale nila, sana naka-sale pa. Tip, I didn't use the cleanser sa unang step because I already washed my face and I think that's just a waste. And I'm planning to use the kit for several times kasi, so I don't want to use the product. And then I highly suggest you curl your lashes before sticking the pads, simply because it would help the lash to be more lifted, and hindi siya masyadong nag-weigh down, hindi siya masyadong bumababa. But curl it enough, hindi naman masyado yung sobrang taas na dumidikit na yung lashes mismo sa skin together with the pads. Hassle din yun. Always prepare for cotton buds, and then if you have saran wrap or yung cling wrap, that's fine, but I didn't have one, and okay lang kasi tignan nyo naman, I used a normal plastic. Ito yung manipis na kind, and yun, and make sure to sanitize all of the tools before using them. By the way, I also used the stick, ginunting ko lang para yun yung pinantaas ko. That's basically it. I really love the result. I hope magtagal siya, and I will definitely update you guys a month from now sa description box. So balik kayo sa video na to after a month, and then sasabihin ko kung nagtagal siya and gaano siya nagtagal. So yun, if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos. Bye!